Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add custom domain in Render. First, log into your Render dashboard. Once you are logged in, select the web service or static site you want to connect your domain to. After selecting it, go to the Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Custom Domain section. Here, click on the button that says Add Custom Domain. A small form will appear. Enter your domain name. After typing your domain, click Save. Next, open a new browser tab and log in to your domain registrar account. In this example, we will use Hostinger. Once you are logged in, access the Hostinger H panel. From the dashboard, go to the Domain section and click Manage next to the domain you want to use. In the sidebar, select DNS or name servers to open the DNS management page. Now we need to configure two records. First, create an A record for the root domain. Set the type to A, the name or host to @ and the points to your render's IP. Before saving, delete any existing A records to avoid conflicts. Second, create a CNAME record for the www subdomain. Set the type to CNAME, the name or host to www, and the points to value to your specific render URL. Delete any existing CNAME records before saving. Finally, return to your Render dashboard. In the Custom Domain section, click the Verify button. Render will check that your domain is correctly configured. Once verified, your domain is connected, and your site is live under your custom domain. Thanks for watching.